Hey guys, what's up? And today, I'm trying not to be loud, but right now, kind of funny. I messed up the last video, but I was trying to make a last video, but it was messed up. So whatever. It's just like whatever. Okay, guys, let's get over here. But and something new. Shush. Something new. I got gold pack, so I have gold stuff now. So yeah. Okay. About new round about to start. I should have used 160 for that, but should we team, guys?
You need to go potty? Leave the door open.
No. Here, guys, I'll be right back. Okay. I'm back. Hey, look, I still have silver block. That saved. Okay, so before I had VIP, anything I got didn't save, but the block saves, really? It makes it bad. She thinks we can't destroy that. No teaming! Dang it! No! No! I died. Be right back. Why, guys? Why does life have to be so cruel? Don't look at me. Look at me! Yes, of course, look at me. But guys, I'll come back whenever there's a new round. Bye. See you in a minute. Guys, I just wanted to tell you, the rounds haven't started yet, but I just wanted to tell you how grateful I am to have this YouTube. My family wasn't sure about it first, but got through it. But guys, I don't know. Guys, I don't like that in there. So, you guys, I'm gonna come back whenever I can, get around. So, see you in a minute. Hey! 17 seconds left. Guys, I'll be back in 10 seconds. Adult time! So, get this person. But this time it's not Flav or Cliff. Want. Ah. These are just scaredy cats. What the heck am I doing? Ow. Oh my god, this guy. This guy, though. I'm gonna kill this girl right here. Oh. There she goes. Die! She's trapped. What the heck? Where'd she go? Oh. Uh-oh, I better. Sucker. Now you can't get me. Luke one now. Don't die. I could have won. No, I couldn't. Never mind. Take that back. But guys, that's gonna be really it for today.